Forget Paris. This is where travelers are going in 2025. Welcome to the breathtaking country of Georgia, nestled at the crossroads of Europe and Asia. Known for its stunning landscapes, this hidden gem is quickly becoming the go-to travel hotspot of the year, and for a good reason. Picture this: rugged mountain peaks, medieval monasteries carved into cliffs, lush vineyards, and the warmest locals you'll ever meet. Start your journey into Tbilisi, Georgia's vibrant capital city. Its cobblestone streets weave a tale of ancient Persian and European influences, while modern art galleries and cafes showcase its style-forward edge. Be sure to visit the futuristic Bridge of Peace that lights up the night sky, a perfect photo op. Hungry? Georgia's cuisine is as unforgettable as its views. Don't miss khachapuri, a cheese-filled bread considered the ultimate comfort food. Next, head into the Caucasus Mountains for an alpine escape. Kazbegi, with Mount Kazbek towering in the distance, is sheer perfection for avid hikers and photographers alike. Did I mention Georgia is also incredibly affordable? An experience like this seems impossible at such a low cost. But that's the magic of Georgia. And for wine enthusiasts, travel to the Kakheti region, where winemaking has been perfected over 8,000 years. Yes, 8,000. Georgia isn't just stunning. It's safe, welcoming, and off the beaten path. Adventure, history, and culture await at every turn, all without the crowds of Europe's more famous destinations. So why not join the wave of intrepid travelers? Subscribe for your next adventure, and let's discover the world's best-kept secrets together.